mind. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back on the S1000 to fully assemble it. Started off today with the headers. Man, I am terrible putting on headers. But finally, the headers are on with the springs and the nuts. So now I have the oil cooler, the radiator, and a lot more front end parts to put back together. So without further ado, let's put her back together. Oil cooler, radiator's on, headers are on, muffler's on, all the O2 sensors are tight and in place. She's looking real good and ready for the fairings. So let's start reassembling, and then let me get all the fairings, clean them up, throw them on the beast. love the color scheme on this bike. Finally, the bike is coming back together. Looks gorgeous. I've got a few more fairings on the left side to do, the belly fairings and the tank fairings. But before I'm gonna do the tank fairings, we should get this beast outside, get it running, warm it up, make sure everything is working right, because I don't wanna have to take these off again. And then we should go for a ride. All right, she's all put back together, except for the gas tank fairings and the seat. Let's start her up, make sure everything's working perfect. Then we'll go for a chilly ride. All right, here we go. She sounds amazing. All right, let's get the rest of those fairings on. All right, got the gear on. You know what time it is. Time to head to the gas station. It's pretty late, so hopefully the neighbors don't mind. Also, pretty cold. It's like 20 degrees, but we got heated grips, so we'll be fine. The bike is just looking absolutely gorgeous. We got the Insta360 3X on the rear, so you guys can get some cool shots when we get to the gas station. Dude, I'm just excited to ride this thing. All right, we'll see you on the road. Cold start. That was awesome. How's it going? Good, how are you? Good. Time to give her some juice. Back in the garage, that was a lot of fun. You see all those flames? That's what I wanted. And that throttle works fantastic. I will say it does seem a bit slow. I was giving it a lot of throttle, but maybe that's because the back wheel was spinning. But maybe that's just because it was so cold outside. And no lie, that was actually rideable weather with those heated grips. My hands were not cold. The only thing that was cold, my knees. Bike was working flawlessly. Everything works, no lights on the dash. This is amazing. So I guess I can say it now. The bike is finally complete. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.